Hello everyone, my name is Victory, and in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how you can make use of your dodge tool, your bond tool, your pen tool, and your text tool. Okay, let's get started. Talking about your dodge tool, I have to import an image to do this. Okay, let me download an image from the internet. Let me look for a good picture to illustrate this. This picture is not sharp. Okay, okay, I think I can work with this picture. Scale it up. Okay, you click on your tool. The shortcut for this tool is O, and you can select if you are working on the shadows, the middle, or the highlight. But let's work on the highlight. You click on the picture layer, reduce your brush size. So basically you can see that it's adding highlights to the spot. Okay, that's what this tool is used for, basically to add highlights. See, so you can as well increase the exposure. You can work on your shadows also. So okay, that's for the tool. And for your bond tool, this is to work on the shadows. So bond, you see what the tool is used for. You can also increase the exposure and reduce the exposure. Okay, that's for that. Let me talk about the pen tool. For the pen tool, this tool can be used to create curves. So it's a freehand tool. You can use it to create whatever you like, and this tool can be used to trim your pictures. Okay, let me do something practical so that you guys will see how it works. Okay, you hold on your right click and just add your nodes, add the node, add the node, add new node. Ensure you are holding on the right click button so you can adjust. If you have to break, you hold on your Alt key to break the pen tool. Okay, you hold on your Alt key to break. So that's how you continue the process. Try. Okay, we're almost done. So by the time you're done, just add it to the point which started and select. You add your feather, depending on the size of your image. So you can click on this to select inversely and delete the background. Okay, this if you are using the pen tool to create to trim backgrounds. This tool also can be used to create vector art, and that's for the tool. Okay, let me talk more about the text tool. As we all know, this tool is used to write, but I'm going to show you some special stuff or special adjustment which you can do with this tool. Okay, you can see the spacing. You can bring out your property. How do you bring out the property? You go to your Windows, you see properties. Okay, Windows properties, and if you look closely, you look at look on your properties tab, you see the VA. This place is for the spacing, so this way you adjust your spacing in between text. This is where you adjust it. This is normal spacing, so if you have to increase the spacing, okay, that's for the spacing. And if you are adding lines, let's say you are adding a paragraph, okay, my name, the spacing between the first line and the second line, this way you adjust it. So this is where you do your adjustment. And okay, that's for that. For this to also, you can actually convert this to shape, and click on the layer, convert to shape. So by the time you have done this, you can click on your shape tool and remove the fill to create such stuff. That's for that, guys. If this video was of help to you, please don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you once more.